Have you ever noticed that mountains look purple from far away? But I bet you've never hiked on a purple mountaintop. Why is this? As objects move farther into the distance, their colors become duller and lighter. This is due to the effects of light traveling through the air. This is why mountains appear purple. Today, you will make a landscape that appears to go back in space by using value. To make this project, you will need 4 pieces of heavy paper, 1 hue of acrylic paint plus white and black, a plate or palette, a paintbrush, water, paper towels, scissors, glue stick, pencil, and white chalk. Start by squeezing out some acrylic paint. We are using acrylics because they are opaque. This means they cover surfaces completely and are not transparent. Watercolor paint will work, but you will need to use water instead of white paint. Add white and black on opposite sides of your palette. Mix 4 distinct values of paint by mixing your hue with white and black. For the lightest piece, start with a tint of your hue and then add white gradually to lighten the color as it goes down the sheet. This will be your sky. Paint each of the other 3 sheets of paper completely with the tints and shades you have made. Allow them to dry. You can use a hairdryer to speed up the process. Set your lightest sky piece aside. Starting about 1/4 of the way from the top of the page, draw the shape of mountains. You can use a reference picture to help you if you would like. Cut on the line you have drawn. This is your background. On the next darkest value, begin drawing about 1/3 to 1/2 of the way down the sheet. Draw lower hills and bushes. Cut this one out. This is your middle ground. The foreground will be on the darkest value of painted paper. This will have lots of details. You can use a white color pencil or chalk if a pencil will not show up. You can also draw a picture on white paper and then transfer it to your dark paper by rubbing chalk on the back side of the image, then trace over it. Cut out your foreground drawing. Remove areas to allow the middle ground and background to show through. Glue your background down first, then the middle ground and foreground. You can add black lines or white lines for more details if you would like.